One of the most popular attractions in Sapanca at Turkey is the bungalow holidays. So, selamünaleyküm everyone. Welcome to OZR Projects YouTube Real Estate channel. I am Hakan Özer. Today, we have really good business opportunity for you today. As I mentioned before, we are in Sapanca, and one of the most popular holiday vacation type in Sapanca is the bungalow activities. This kind of activities has so much demand from foreigners and from local people too. Especially people are from Istanbul, they are coming in each ability for that kind of vacations. Why? Because we have too much privacy in Mother Nature. We are in up on the hill position, and believe me, the quality of the weather amazing over here. I'm feeling like a drunk right now because there is so much oxygen over here. Today I would like to introduce one bungalow facility in mountainside of Sapanca. And what we have as a general specification, we have totally 2,800 square meters plot. On this 2,800 square meters plot, we have 6 detached style bungalow. And when we consider the physical specification of the bungalow, we have approximately 8 square meters bungalow, which is coming with 2 rooms plus 1 living room, and it didn't finish yet. When we consider the location of the bungalow type, you don't need to stack inside the bungalow. Look to the size of that garden. For this bungalow, we have approximately 400 square meters usage area, and it comes with winter garden, barbecue, fireplace, the swimming pool, which is also including heater and jacuzzi too. I'm so excited to show you the details, so let's start the tour together. And each bungalow has its own private swimming pool. We have really good enough size. It is 4 by 8, totally 32 square meters. And as I mentioned before, imagine it's snowing or rainy, the weather is cold, but the temperature of the water is 34 Celsius. Can you imagine it? You are swimming when it's snowing. And it didn't finish yet. This is the main entrance of the bungalow. On the veranda section, we have jacuzzi. Of course, there is a hot water is available on the jacuzzi too. So let's have a look inside the bungalow, please. When we get inside the bungalow, each details have thought according to your pleasure. For instance, we have over here spacious living room area, and right over here we have chimney which is working with the natural gas. By the way, the inside of the bungalow is really hot, and look at that wooden material. This also, it was proved that kind of wooden materials is very healthy for your body too. Right over here we have small open style kitchen. Next to it we have bathroom, and right over here we have one room over here. Easily over here 5 people or 6 people can stay a night easily. There is no any problem too. And this business model is working pretty good in Turkey too. There are many people are preferring to staying that kind of facilities inside of the hotels too. Because think like that, you come over here with your family, you have your own privacy within beautiful nature of the Sapanca too. You have your own private swimming pool, own rooms, own jacuzzi, own garden, what else more? So I want to show you upper floor for you. So when we reach the top floor of the bungalow, the master room section is welcoming us, and design of this room is such a semi-open. We call it as a loft design, and if you want to increase your privacy and if you want to enjoy with your time, you can you can close the curtains and you can enjoy with your time. So if you are interested in the day rental income business in Turkey, in our beautiful region of Sapanca, this business model can be very compatible choice for you. To catch this opportunity and for more information, please direct contact with me. And I have to mention that it is just beginning. We have similar facilities like this. If you want to see that kind of facilities more at the future, please do not forget to make a comment on the below too. So I hope that you enjoy what you saw in the video. If you liked our videos, please do not forget to like our videos. If you didn't subscribe our YouTube channel yet, please also subscribe our YouTube channel too. For more information and catching that opportunity, you can directly contact with me. My name is Hakan Özer. My mobile and WhatsApp number is 0090-532-207-8634. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.